So in this tutorial I'll show you how to download, install and set up your Dropbox with your laptop or computer. This is my Windows 11 and Windows 10 or Mac. Process will be same. First of all, you have to go your Google and press on download Dropbox for Windows. Then you can see the Dropbox official website. You have to go there. Then you can see the install. Press on install. Then it's automatically download. Then press on save, and it's already downloaded. And go to the install file, and you have to install it. So wait a couple of seconds to complete the whole process. It takes some time. Install almost complete. Now you have to sign in with your Gmail account. If you already have a Dropbox account, then okay, and if you don't have, just sign up with your Gmail account. So I'll already have a Dropbox account, so I need to sign in first. Now press on next. If you need to update, then you can update. And now Dropbox is shown here. So within couple of a minute or hour, it will be automatically updated. So now you can enjoy your you can drag and drop or copy paste from here. So that's it. So hope video helpful. Thank you. Have a good day.